Linux name sockets how to. I know that there are named sockets and AMP, named pipes, FIFO, in Linux. In LSL, they would look as below. I have changed the file names, for demonstration. Now, a named pipe can be created using FIFO. Is there a command for creating a named socket? Last option would be to write a C program, which would call node function, but wanted to know if there is already a command for that. What I have tried. I tried to search for any options to node and AMP, FIFO, but could not find one. Note, I am not discussing about server-client model over Ethernet/network. The name socket file will be used by two processes on the same system.
A Unix/Linux socket file is basically a two-way FIFO dot and NBSP. Since sockets were originally created as a way to manage network communications, it is possible to manipulate them using the send and read system calls dot and NBSP. However, in the Unix spirit of everything is a file, you can also use write and read. And NBSP, you need to use socket pair or socket to create named sockets dot and NBSP. A tutorial for using sockets in C can be found here. Beach's Guide to Unix IPC, Unix Sockets. The socat command line utility is useful when you want to play around with sockets without writing a real program. And NBSP. It is similar to netcat and acts as an adapter between different networking and file interfaces. Links. SOCAT Project Home. An Introduction to SOCAT. Interesting article about Unix sockets and SOCAT.
Create a socket quickly in Python. Or with a tiny C program, for example, save the following to create a socket.c. Then install GCC, compile it, and tada!
There is no command line tool to create sockets since a socket is always connected to a server which handles the requests sent to that socket. So you will have to write a server and let that create the socket. Here is a tutorial.
If you want to support the show, please consider subscribing.